ready? Thank you. It's been a few months from where we left off. Soroy injured his knee, tearing his ACL and meniscus, which meant needing surgery. And if you know us, we're not very good at sitting still. So instead of staying home and overthinking everything, we booked a flight to Playa del Carmen. It wasn't a vacation, just a little change of scenery before Soroy got his surgery and would be unable to travel for a while to rehab his knee. Looking back, I'm really proud of how we handled this season. We took it one step at a time. Surgery first, rehab next, and everything else after. This is what that chapter looked like. The air felt different the second we stepped outside. Instead of a taxi, we took a bus to Playa del Carmen. Luggage at our feet, city lights passing by the window. It was my first time in Mexico. I would say that it's been the country that I wanted to visit the most. Sí, por 30 días? Sí, okay. Based on what the Mexicans have told me that I've met before, it feels like the culture that I can most relate to. Even at night, I could feel the excitement building. The next morning, the sun did what the airport lights couldn't. It was bright, clear, warm. It was our first full day in Playa del Carmen. My face looks so crazy because we just put on sunscreen. Today is our first day in Playa del Carmen! Yay! We checked in last night. We were so tired, we didn't even eat anything. We got to Cancun International Airport, took our bus, and then went straight here. Here's our place. It's just a little studio apartment. We got it from Airbnb, and now we're ready to go eat something.
We're currently here because we were supposed to be traveling in March, and it's currently June. So we obviously got delayed, and then I actually ended up injuring my knee, tore my ACL, tore my meniscus, and booked for surgery next month. So we figured let's go to Mexico, see our second world wonder, enjoy traveling a little bit, and then go back home, get the surgery, heal up, do physio, and then get back on the road after.
So yeah, let's go find something cheap to eat. When I'm traveling, I don't feel the same pressure to perform. There's no rush, no expectation, just space to explore. Ready? My first Mexican food in Mexico. It's not a taco, it's a torta. Spicy.
Load up my torta. Let's have a bite.
Is it good? Wow.
I love torta.
Yeah, we took the bus for the first time. Got lunch. I feel so much better. It's so hot. Life in Playa del Carmen didn't feel rushed. Our mornings were slower, the light came in early, and the air already felt warm before we stepped outside. At the beginning of our stay, we rented bikes for the month so we could get around easier. And it's cheaper than calling a taxi every time. It quickly became part of our routine. Riding through the streets, warm air in our faces, and no real destination in mind. Don't hate on my lip! We learned the little systems of daily life too, refilling our big water jugs at first at OXXO. I'll carry it back. Don't worry, baby. Yeah, good idea.
More on the opposite leg, better on my right side.
Yeah. And later at this tiny hole in the wall faucet where you'd insert coins and wait for it to fill.
We have water. Alright, now I gotta carry it. You gonna carry it all the way? Okay. Currently injured, so Diane's gonna try to carry it.
Actually, can you help me?
Well, that didn't last very long.
Yeah, it's so wiggly.
Alright, let me do it. Sure you wanna flip? There.
I give up. It sounds small, but those were the moments that made it feel less like a trip and more like living. It was rainy season while we were there, so some afternoons would suddenly pour. Quick, heavy bursts that passed almost as fast as they came. But most days were still bright and sunny, and food was never hard to find. There was a stand on almost every corner. Tacos, tamales, tortas, burritos. Cheap, simple, and honestly some of the best meals we've had. It took a few days to find our rhythm, and once we did, everything felt lighter. We were still working, still budgeting, still waiting for what was next, but it didn't feel so heavy anymore. Slowing down in a new place made us realize how fast we've been moving before, and for the first time in a while, we weren't chasing anything.
Oh, the doggies. How's your knee feeling?
I'm tired for sure.
A little tired?
We couldn't bike this.
It's so much nicer when you go out in the evening. We are not dying from the heat, so that's definitely the trick. You know, if you don't see the sunset, it's okay.
You'll see another one.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, a rainbow.
Where?
Turn the camera.
Oh, yeah. Wow! That's so cool! We made it to the beach! And it's not so smelly! Wow! Okay, so I hope you can hear me, but I'm doing something a little different today. As you can see, I'm on my bicycle. I decided, since it's Saturday and it's kind of cloudy, so though we don't really have much plans for today, I wanted to finally visit a cafe. I love going to cafes and having a nice cup of coffee and just work. Hello. I'm gonna try out this place. I just found it on Google. I found that it was highly recommended for people who want to work on their laptops. So hopefully it's affordable, hopefully it's good coffee, and there's space. It is Saturday after all. It's been raining a lot here in Playa del Carmen. So we've been staying at home. Also, we work every day. Like, especially now, I don't know if I mentioned, but I started teaching English online. It's been going really well. So far, it's been busy enough. I've been filling in my schedule. So that's what I've been doing here in Playa since it's been rainy season and we've been having to stay at home. Thankfully, we have had some sunny days, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti, si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti.
Hola, puedo pago, pero tengo 2 lattes.
Ahora que estás aquí,
Gracias.
imposible no elegirte.
We just finished at the cafe. It's gotten much hotter. I don't know why I thought it was going to be cloudy the whole day. I should have brought some sunscreen. The plan is to go to Walmart to buy some drinks, maybe a little bit of groceries for the week because we are out of a few things. So let's see. What's really nice about Playa is that in comparison to a lot of the other cities that we've been in, it's quite bike friendly. The traffic isn't too crazy. I don't feel super unsafe, you know, and people mainly follow rules and stuff, so it's quite nice. There is very little like street lights, but it's okay. The cafe was quite nice. It's really nice out. Wow. Much nicer than I thought. Avenida 30 or 30th Avenue is definitely the busiest street that I've gone to so far. All of the buses and trucks and cars and everything. Walmart. Okay, we're here. Where do we park? I guess we park right here. All right, we made it to Walmart. Let's see how it goes. Oh, there's bike. There's bike parking over there. I just didn't realize.
Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti, si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti.
During the last week of our stay in Playa del Carmen, we decided to take a short trip to Cozumel. It felt like a little adventure without pressure. Just a ferry ride across the turquoise water and suddenly a new island to explore.
It felt like the ocean.
The beaches were stunning. Like for a while, it felt like time slowed down even more.
Wanna dive in? Don't lose your head, pana.
Si me ve cantando, sabe que estoy cantando de ti. Si me ve cantando, mamita, tú me tienes a mí arrebatado. Tú me tienes arrebatado. Otra copa me hace pensar que algún día vas a regresar. Oye, arrebatado. Tú me tienes arrebatado. Otra botella me hace creer que si te llamo vas a volver. Pero no vuelve. Dice, me arrebata. Tú me tienes arrebatado. Hey. Me arrebata.
Oh, hot. Ah.
You good?
Mila?
By the end of the day, Suroy had a little too much fun with the unlimited drinks. A silly, sun-soaked reminder to take it easy. By the time we headed back, we were sun-kissed, a little tipsy, and completely relaxed. Grateful for this final week in Playa del Carmen before moving on. It's hard to believe that our time in Playa del Carmen already came to an end. Looking back, those weeks weren't about sightseeing or rushing to fit everything in. They were about slowing down. It was a season of healing, of laughter, and even a little silliness. And somewhere in the middle of all of this, we even squeezed a short road trip to see Chichen Itza. But that adventure deserves its own story. We realized that travel doesn't always have to be grand or fast. Sometimes it's simply about being present, choosing warmth over routine, and letting life unfold in its own pace. By the time we left, we were sun-kissed, relaxed, and grateful for every moment of this chapter.
Alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite. Vuela paloma tan libre como la vida. No dudes que siempre amanece y amanecerá.